Hello, second graders. My name is Monica, and I'm a certified teacher in Tennessee. I'm glad you joined me today. We're going to do some number talks together. In case you don't know, number talks are a way to develop number sense by thinking about all the different ways that you can mentally add and subtract numbers. Are you ready to go? All right, let's do it. So what I'm going to do is I'll write some expressions on this paper. And when I do, I want you to just think in your head what the answer could be. And then I will ask for some students to tell me how you were thinking about that answer. So here's the first expression. 3 plus 3. Think in your head, what might the answer be to 3 plus 3? Do you have an idea? Good. I'm just going to call on a few people and see what their thoughts are about this. Let's start with Sarah. Sarah, what do you think the answer to 3 plus 3 might be? Okay. Sarah says she thinks the answer might be 6. Who agrees with Sarah's answer? Does anybody have a different answer? Savannah, you have a different answer? What do you think the answer might be to 3 plus 3? Okay. Savannah says she thinks the answer to 3 plus 3 might be 7. Are there any different answers? Jordan, what do you think the answer might be? Okay. Jordan thinks the answer might be 9. So we have 3 different answers right now. We have 6, 7, and 9. Let me know if you agree with the answer 9 by doing this. This tells me I agree. Okay. If you agree with the answer of 7, show me by doing this. If you agree with the answer of 6, show me by doing this. Okay, I see a lot of you agreeing that the answer to 3 plus 3 is 6. So let's explore that. If you thought the answer was 6, can you tell me how you thought about it? Daniel, how did you think about this answer? Okay. Daniel said that he thought about 3 plus 3 by counting. Daniel, how did you count? Daniel says that he started with 3 and then counted up 3. So he counted 4, 5, 6, and saw that the answer was 6. So he used the counting up strategy. Did anybody think about it differently? did you think about 3 plus 3? Addie says that she thought about 3 plus 3 by thinking about making 5. Tell us some more about that, Addie. Okay. Addie said that she knows the sums of 5. And one of the sums of 5 is 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. But 3 plus 3 is one more than 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 3 is 5 and one more, which is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Did anybody else have a different strategy? Okay, Sarah, tell us how you thought about 3 plus 3. Oh, so Sarah thought about 3 plus 3 as one of the doubles facts. So she learned her doubles facts in first grade. And so she knows that 3 plus 3 is one of the doubles facts. And 3 plus 3 equals 6. In case you don't remember the doubles facts from first grade, here's a reminder. These are all the doubles facts through 10 plus 10. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. That's the one we just did. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 plus 7 is 14. 8 plus 8 is 16. And 9 plus 9 is 18. And 10 plus 10 is 20. So those are all the doubles facts. Very good. So now, let's do another one. And this time, I want us to keep thinking about the doubles facts. See if you can use what you know about the doubles facts to solve this next expression. Here it is. 3 plus 4. Think about what the answer might be to 3 plus 4. Jordan, do you have an answer to 3 plus 4? Would you like to share? Jordan says that he thinks the answer to 3 plus 4 might be 5. Does anybody have a different answer? Daniel says that he thinks the answer to 3 plus 4 might be 7. Let's see who agrees with 3 plus 4 equals 5. Who agrees with 3 plus 4 equals 7? Remember how to show me? I see a lot of you agree with 3 plus 4 equals 7. So Daniel, talk to me about how you thought about this answer. All right. So Daniel is counting up on a number line. Daniel says that he started with the number 3, and then he counted up 4. So in last time he counted up 3. 1, 2, 3, and landed on 6. But this time he counted up another 1, 4, and landed on 7. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. Okay? Did anybody think about it differently? Very good. Addie thought about the doubles facts. So she says that she knows 3 plus 3 equals 6. And 3 plus 4 is 1 more than 3 plus 3. So if 3 plus 3 equals 6, then 1 more, 3 plus 4, equals 7. Very good. Now, let's do another one and continue to think about the doubles fact. 3 plus 3 equals 6. And think about how that can help you solve this next problem. Ready? Okay. Three plus 2. What might the answer be? Jennifer, would you like to share your answer? Okay. Jennifer says she thinks the answer is 5. She thinks that 3 plus 2 equals 5. And I see everybody is doing this. Everybody says they agree. Jennifer, can you tell me about how you thought about this problem? Very good. So Jennifer says she used this doubles fact, 3 plus 3 equals 6, to find the answer to 3 plus 2. She said that since 3 plus 2 is 1 less than 3 plus 3, then the answer to 3 plus 2 must be 5. You could also think about 3 plus 2 as one of the facts that you know about composing 5, how to make 5. One of the ways to make 5 is 3 plus 2 more. And on this 5 frame, it fills up the 5 frame, so this makes 5. Very good. Would you like to try to do another string? Okay, let's do another. Ready? Okay. Five plus 5. Think about what the answer might be to 5 plus 5. Do you have an answer? Good. Who would like to share what they think the answer to 5 plus 5 is? Savannah. think the answer might be? Savannah says that the answer to 5 plus 5 might be 8. Can you show me if you agree? Some of you didn't agree. Do we have different answers? All right. What's a different answer? What's another answer? All right, Sarah, tell us what you think the answer might be to 5 plus 5. Sarah says that she thinks the answer to 5 plus 5 might be 10. Show me if you agree. Okay, I see a lot more of you agree with the answer 10. So let's explore how we were thinking about this problem. Sarah, tell us how you thought about this problem. Right. So Sarah was thinking again about doubles facts. She knows that 5 plus 5 is a doubles fact and 5 plus 5 equals 10. Who thought about it differently? Lori, can you tell us how you thought about 5 plus 5? Perfect. Lori says that she has 5 fingers on each hand. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. Very good. You carry these math tools around with you everywhere. So Lori used what she knows about fingers. Excellent. Did anybody have a different strategy? Beth, how did you think about 5 plus 5? Oh, so Beth says that she thought about 5 plus 5 in a similar way as Sarah and Lori, but she thought about, instead of 5 fingers on each hand, she thought about 2 5 frames. So 2 5 frames together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 5 frames together makes a 10 frame. Very good. So Beth's strategy was a 10 frame. Okay. Now, let's see if you can use the doubles fact 5 plus 5 to solve this next problem. All right. 5 plus 4. How can you use the doubles fact 5 plus 5 equals 10 to find the answer to 5 plus 4? Daniel says he knows how. Daniel, can you tell us about how you used this doubles fact to tell you the answer to 5 plus 4? Very good. Daniel says that if 5 plus 5 equals 10 and 5 plus 4 is 1 less, 5 plus 5 more is 10, but one less is 9. Very good. That's great. Let's do one more. 5 plus 6. How can we use what we've already answered to help us think about the answer to 5 plus 6? Andrew, how did you use the other two problems to help you think about the answer to 5 plus 6? Okay, so Andrew says he was thinking about this number line again. And he knows that 5 plus 5 more equals 10. But 5 plus 6 is 1 more than 5 plus 5. So 1 more would be 11. Did anybody think about it differently? Okay, Beth says that she was using her numbers or tens frame again, and she was picturing a full 10 frame. A full 10 frame has 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. So it's all full. But our problem was not 5 plus 5. Our problem was 5 plus 6. So a full 10 frame plus 1 is 10, 11. Very good. Well, I hope that you enjoyed doing a couple of number talks with me. We'll do another one the next time. And if you'd like to, there are in the parent packet and in the teacher packet, there's some extra number talks that follow along with these so that you can do some for practice on your own. Thanks for joining in, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Thanks for joining me today as we talk about math. I am going to show you some dots, and your job is to tell me how many dots you see. Are you ready? How many dots do you see? Laura, you saw 6? Rin saw 6. Shane? Oh, you saw 6 as well. Did anybody see another number besides 6? No? All right. DJ, how did you see your dots? Oh, DJ said he saw a group of 6 dots because it looked like a dice to him too. Laura, how did you see your dots? Laura saw 3 dots on the top and 3 dots on the bottom, and that makes 6. True. Did anybody see these dots in a different way? Redden saw a group of 2 dots, another group of 2 dots, and another group of 2 dots. Redden, how did you count those? You counted by 2? So did you say 2, 4, 6 to get 6 dots? Yes, you can do that. We ready for another set of dots? Let's go. 2. Everybody said 2 at the same time. How did you know there were 2 dots there, Donna? Yes, it does look like a dice. I know you've seen that. Anybody else? How did you know there were 2? Lacey, you just counted 1, 2 pretty quickly. Great. Let's do another one. Oh, this one's more exciting, right? So, how many dots do you see? And how do you see them? What did you do, Redden? Redden said he knew this was a group of 5. How did you know that, Redden? You've just seen that group before? You've seen it on a dice? Yeah. And then you added on these 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you saw 9 dots. Did anybody see another number besides 9? Josiah, you saw 9, but you saw them in a different way. How did you see them? Oh, you saw the 4 dots first, and then the 5 dots, and you added them. 4 and 5 more make 9. True.